Good morning, crafters. Before we get started on our tutorial, what I want to do is go ahead and show you the paper collection that I'm using. This is Cartabella's Bundled Up by Alicia Gordon, and it is really adorable, and I think it's going to be perfect for this project. So also I want to share with you the cut files that I use for this are on the Cricut. So I want to show you the word winter. I cut using the Cricut Keystone font, okay? And I'm not sure what size I did, but I do know that I wanted it about 2 1/8 inches wide by a little over 2 1/8, okay? So just so you know, I did set it at 2 1/8 inches wide, and it went ahead and figured out the height for me, okay? Also, I want to show you the little beanie hat. So first of all, I cut out the bottom layer, okay? So this is going to be layered twice so that I can use it year after year, okay? So I'm using the 110-pound cardstock from Michaels, and it came in several different colors of this kind of blue and blue-green color, okay? So I really love this. And this was called the beanie hat. And this is also a Cricut cutout, and that number is M as in Michael 45, A as in Apple, and I don't know if this is an O or a 0. There wasn't a slash through it, so I'm assuming it's O as in whatever, orange, and D as in dog. Okay, so again, that's M as in Michael 45, Adam, orange, dog. Okay, so hopefully that you'll be able to find that. And so the bottom layer, I did the same thing. I always go by the width first, okay? And this is 5 1/4 inches, a smidge over 5 1/4, almost. I would just set it at 5 1/4, which would be 5.25, okay? And you should be pretty good to go. And then it will automatically set the height on it if you have that locked, okay? And I created 6 of these for each of the letters for winter. And I also did the same thing with the Cartabella paper using the same exact but I used the top layer, okay? So when you actually open up your Cricut file for the beanie hat, you'll see that there's a bottom layer and a top layer, and the top layer has these little stitched lines in them. Well, since I couldn't see the stitch line, you'll see what I did for that in just a second. And again, I made this one, it's better for me just to flip it this way, a little smidge shorter than 5 1/4. Okay, so basically you'll just have to kind of figure it out. If I can find the file, I can give you the exact measurements of what I used. But then what I also did was, because I wanted to recreate the little stitching in the hat, I cut out this stitched heart, and this is called the Stitched Line Heart, and this is Cricut as well. And the number for that is M as in Michael, B as in Bob, F as in Frank, F as in Frank 75, B as in Bob 4. So MBFF75B4. I'll have all these numbers listed down below, and you'll be able to see it. So anyway, I'm not using the curved ones or that heart little one there, just basically I wanted that solid line. So let's go ahead and, and also I forgot to mention too, I am going to use this little burlap string. I think it's pretty cute. I don't know if that's what you call it. For some odd reason I'm having a brain fart. I've been having a lot of those lately, so guys, just bear with me. So basically Hey guys, I really hope you like how this project turned out. I think it was a lot of fun to make. And it was definitely easy peasy, okay? So, you know, if you have your Cricut, or I'm sure you can find similar files on Silhouette or the Brother Scan and Cut. I really don't even know how that one works. But anyway, I'm sure you can find similar things and create these. I do know that they probably have some SVGs available on Pinterest as well. I just happened to use Cricuts. And again, it was a lot of fun to create. I did use foam tape in between there and sandwiched the string in between the pieces. That way it would be kind of hidden. I didn't really want to make any holes because I thought the hat was so stinking cute, like if I put it at the top. Now, if I had had some pom-poms, I definitely would have added these on here, but I did not have enough to add on every hat. Maybe I could have done on every other one, but I thought that kind of would have looked weird. But anyway, guys, I hope you follow along with the rest of the YouTube hoppers, okay? Debbie, thank you so much for being a hostess along with me. And thank you so much to the other creators who have taken their time out to create some beautiful and fabulous winter creations. Don't forget to check out my list down below. I will mark my name as you are here, and then you can continue on down and then work your way back up. So I believe Debbie was first, I'm second, and I think Rosa Kelly is next. I'm almost 100% positive. So definitely head on to her channel. Again, that's going to be in the description box down below, as well as the other channels. I hope you all had a wonderful and fabulous New Year's. I know that I did with my family, and I hope it was a happy and safe one, and I definitely hope that 2021 brings us a much better joy, happiness, and blessings. So anyway, guys, again, don't forget to check out the links down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on all the channels to be available to win the prizes. Anyway, bye guys. Have a good one.